Yeezy fans, listen up. Whether you're adding to your collection or copying your first pair, the last thing you want is to be fooled by fakes. Want to know how to authenticate your Yeezys quickly and easily? Today, I'm showing you how to use LegitApp to legit check your Yeezy sneakers with confidence. Before we move forward, you'll need to purchase legit tokens to pay for the authentication. Each token is about $1, and you can buy them right within the app, quick and easy. Tap the Start button to begin. Select Sneakers and choose Yeezy from the list of brands. Then, select the sneaker model. We're checking the Yeezy Boost 350 today. Now, select how fast you want the results. You'll need to take 13 required pictures of your Yeezys from different angles to make sure the check is thorough. Start by capturing both sides of the shoe, the outer and inner sides. Then, get a shot of the back, heel, and the bottom, outsole. Next up, take a clear photo of the top of the insole and the back of the insole. For those tricky inside shots of the stitching or insole cardboard, turn on your flashlight for a clearer image. Don't forget to photograph the inside label and both the front and back of the shoe tongue. Finally, make sure to include photos of the box label and the front and back of the tag attached to the box. Those are just as important. After your photos are uploaded, in a hurry, choose the fastest option and get your legit check results in under 10 minutes. Here's where the real magic happens. LegitApp uses advanced AI technology alongside 2 expert authenticators to ensure the most accurate results. Your Yeezys are in good hands. There it is. You'll get a notification once the check is complete. Let's see what we've got. After your Yeezys went through a thorough inspection by LegitApp's experts. If your sneakers are legit, you'll receive a certificate of authenticity. If they're replicas, you'll get a difficulty score from 1 to 10, telling you how hard it was to identify the fake. And that's it, Yeezy lovers. With LegitApp, checking the authenticity of your favorite sneakers has never been easier. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more authentication tips. Download LegitApp now and stay legit with us. I'll catch you in the next video.